Here he is, right here, right here. Almost. It's a big large one. What's going on, guys? This is Eric from Atypical Outdoors and the Big Homie.
Seeing through fishing, Elijah.
You know it, man. This kid catches giants, man. Don't sleep on him, man. Y'all make sure to check out his channel. Today, we're actually going to fish with the big homie Charles and fish the Yellow River. So it should go down, man. Hopefully, we can catch him on top water, some buzz baits.
Sure.
We'll see what can make happen. Let's go. We'll see y'all in a minute. All right, guys. One huge thing, man. When you're out here, man, be sure to pick up your trash, man. This is just ridiculous, man. This takes a couple of seconds, man. And we got to keep these waterways clean. Through there, right? Right here. Then follow the beat. Yeah, I got caught one time before. This reminds me of the Mogi. You gotta follow the V.
Yeah, you gotta kind of get slow.
Yeah.
You want a section of river like this where you got a gully and then the water backdrafts up underneath the trees. That's a good ambush point for them to be. So what we'll do is we'll just cast a little trick worm, throw it up in there next to the trees, let it float through that gully. And we'll do that through the whole section of the river. And as you can see, you know, it's endless. It's like a revolving platform of structure and gullies and holes. So we'll just keep on rinse and repeat, and see if we can't come up with a big one for you today.
Oh yeah, let's get it. They said no river is ever the same. Yeah.
Oh man.
Gonna be a blast. Cause that'll bring them out.
Little fat Yellow River largemouth.
Charles with the first largemouth of the day.
You want to call it that? You want to look more like baby.
Baby mouth.
Yeah. He's pretty though.
He is. Look at all those
Look how fat
shape of him. Chunky bass.
Yeah. All right, let's go get his brother.
Exactly. He'll do a little dance for us. Watch that cookie disappears into the sand and the green.
Isn't that pretty?
Oh yeah, it's crazy. All right, guys, we got our first official fish. Look how fat this fish is. This is a pretty unique fish. It's like a shoal bass mixed with a largemouth bass, or either a spider bass.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bass.
So pretty unique fish. Happy with my first one. Appreciate it, Charles.
Yes, sir.
All right, guys, I wasn't recording that first fish, but I actually caught him right off this cypress root. The trick worm just kind of ran across the roots, and he was on. On the log, come on now. There he is. I knew it should be a fish there.
All right. Good job.
I was like, come on, bro. You against a tree, that's textbook.
Right.
That's a largemouth right there.
Is it?
Yeah. All right, guys, number 2. Boy, this is a good spot. It gets deep.
Yeah, so you should be right there, and then hop on the log.
All right.
Can you get on the log?
Yeah.
Come right over here and get on it. Yeah. You just drag your boat over. Here, I'll get in and give her a push.
All right.
Yeah, go and pull on the chair.
All right. Hop on it.
All right, grab onto the back.
Uh-huh.
Get it in there and then get it up sideways to the log.
Oh, okay.
That way you can get back in it. Here, let me see your oar. Yeah, just don't lose the boat.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? There you go. Sideways, there you go.
Thank you, sir.
Alright, grab his boat.
Oh, my God.
Pull it up wide. Push you out. Alright, you're good. You can go ahead, Eric.
All right. Getting her done. Got him. Called it. Oh, man. Coming in clutch. Put up a fight though.
Alright, as soon as we get done fishing this area out, we'll
Good spot.
pull over and get on it off.
Charles is number 2 for the day. Look at the color on that guy.
Yeah.
Elijah, it's your turn. It's your time to shine, man. What is going on, guys? We are about to pull over and get a lunch. We have just almost got to the midpoint of our trip. So hopefully get on a couple bass, man. We're about to eat some hot dogs, chill, take it easy, and try to slay some giants. Let's go. Oh! Might have to go in and get that one. You hold my rod, Elijah? That's a giant. Let me try some.
Here, I can go. Just get my phone.
I see him. I see him. He right here. Oh, it's a 4 or 5. Woo! It's close. It's good. Oh, stop moving, dude. Hold on. Damn. Here he is, right here. Almost. It's a big, large one. Teamwork. Look at that, man. It's a tank. Hey, I get wet for you, homie. So it's right at 4 pounds, man.
Nice.
Yeah, it's a 4 See, with the line.
Yeah.
It's a 4 pounder.
Yeah. Nice.
Nice catch.
Nice. All right, buddy.
Oh, let me get that line in. Oh yeah. Catch you later, big girl. Look at that.
Look at that beast in that water. Isn't that beautiful?
My man.
That's
good catch.
Hell yeah.
There you go. Fish. You still don't want to lose it. Oh, got him on the swim bait. That quick on the swim bait. Yep. Got 2 of them. 2 of them went for it. Swim bait fishing, baby. On the 4x4. It's a chunky largemouth. Oh.
You hit it?
Oh, he's falling all the way out here.
God dang it.
He hit it too. Look, he just trailed off.
Oh my
And he hit it. It was a spot, I think. No. About a 1.5 pounder.
Oh, shit.
Got him.
Got him. Nice, dude. Nice. Little 1 pounder?
Yeah.
Hey.
No, it's bigger. It's 1, yeah. Large man. Another one, guys. The 4x4 is killing them. We're trying. Yeah. And it just pulled other fish out too before that.
What company is that?
Bull Shad. Yeah. The 4x4 is legit, guys. I'm trying to get a giant. We're pushing forward. That's 1 more fish, but we're looking for the 1. Look at that, man. The homie Called a tank, man, on the edge waver.
Yes, sir.
Is that your first swimbait fish?
Yeah, my first swimbait fish. Well, my first big swimbait fish, you know.
Hell of a way to start, man.
Yes, sir. Get the
That's
release
what
on
I'm
this
talking
guy.
about. Oh,
Let's
man.
look.
You about to dance?
He
He thought about it. Nice job, bro. Oh, got him. Dang. No, I hit him and he jumped off. I bumped the log, it turned sideways, reeled 2 times, he smashed it, and he got off. It's about a 1 pounder. Oh, got him. Got him. Flopper time. It's a decent one too, man.
Yeah. Now this on the flopper.
Flopper. A boy a hammer. Guys, it's rat time. This thing should be deadly around this wood. I haven't done the rat too much this year. I said I was gonna throw it. I got the perfect time to throw it, man. And plus Elijah caught that fish on the whopper plopper. So it's rat time. Let's see what I can make happen. Oh, I got him on the rat. Yep. Smash the rat. Oh man, it's bigger than I thought. Yeah, this is a chunky one right here, man. All right, first rat fish, guys. That back hook got him in the gills, but we're gonna get him released and get him back in the water. Yes, sir. Oh, shoot. I missed him. No. That was a big fish, man. That was a big one. That was a grown one. All right, guys, that wraps up everything. I hope you enjoyed this video. It was an insane river flow. In total, it took 14 hours. Guys, we were hot, we were nasty, and we were disgusting, man. We had to drag that kayak all the way up like a 10-foot embankment to get it out, guys. That is probably the nastiest I've been in a super long time. I started off clean and I ended up dirty. But man, we caught them on swim baits, we caught them on worms, we caught them on a little bit of everything. And the 4x4 Bull Shad was the hero for me. Plus, I got my first rat fish, Charles got his first stalker fish, and also Elijah got his first fish on the swim bait. And he had a crazy double up with 2 fish, like a 4-pounder and a 2-pounder. It doesn't get much better than that, guys. Well, guys, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to this video. You guys take care, tight lines, and we'll see you on the water soon.